Load in your conduit by inserting it through the mast. Push it rearward and rest it on the chain vise carriage. Next, select the correct hook that matches the color of the shoe and follow bar. Today, we're bending 2.5-inch conduit, so the shoe, follow bar, and hook are all color-coded red. Using the assist pin, align and install the hook. Remove the assist pin and store it in the tool rack. Push the follow bar back until the right angle tab rests against the main mast. Then push the hook up against the follow bar. Make sure the hook is positioned vertical. After the conduit, follow bar, and hook are correctly positioned, then tighten the conduit in the chain vise. Now, you are ready to begin bending conduit on the Southwire MHB 4000 hydraulic bender.